Namaskar, this is Nitesh Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and the topic for today is isolator, disconnector, switch for 220 kV switchyard. I am standing in the 220 kV switchyard, and today I am just going to explain practically overview of the disconnector switch, that is otherwise called isolator also, for 220 kV switchyard. Okay, so I think you are able to see the switch, the equipment which is just behind me, that is called isolator, that is otherwise called disconnector also. So for that only I am going to explain. Start. This is the equipment called isolator, which means the switch which isolate the circuit. You are able to see the disconnecting rod which is connected just in the center, that is fitted in the center of the two insulator. So this is the arrangement of isolator. Like you can see, this is for R phase, likewise this is for Y phase, and likewise at the last for B phase. Today I'll show you that how this thing is being operated using this mechanism box. So all the mechanism setup, motor and the control circuit is in this mechanism box, which is controlling the operation of open and close of this isolator. So right now I will explain the working funda of this mechanism box, how we control the isolator disconnector switch using this mechanism box, how we give the close command, how we give the open command, that all operation occurs in this mechanism box. So I will request my cameraman to. This is the mechanism box setup of the isolator. This mechanism box consists 3-phase motor and the internal circuitry inside the box. See, here is the drawing. According to this drawing, all the wirings are done inside and all the operation is being done according to this drawing and circuitry. This is the MCB you are looking. See, this MCB is for motor, this MCB is for single phase control, this MCB is for DC control, and this is for heater socket. So when you will switch on this MCB, then 3-phase supply will go to the motor. This is for single phase control and this is for DC control. This DC supply, 220 DC supply, is used for the controlling purpose. I am going to show how the circuitry is inside. See, this is the contactors. You can say this relay also, relay. This all are relay which has multiple contacts of NO and NC. So this contact is NO, this is NC. That means normal open and normal close contacts. I think you are able to see, and this wiring is done as per this drawing, which is inserted here, and all the control occurs according to this. So when we give the command, then this relay will get pick up, and then this will give the power supply. This will allow the power supply to the motor. So here is the motor, you can see, and see, this is the TV where the power terminals are there, the power cables are connected here, and the this is the internal wire of this mechanism box. The internal wires are going to the motor, and see, this is the TV where all the control wires are connected, and this side the wires are coming from your control panel, from the remote end, from remote control room. And this is, see, this is called auxiliary switch. Auxiliary switch means when your isolator will open, then this crankshaft will rotate. When it will close, then it will rotate. According to the rotation of this crankshaft, the position of this switch will get changed. Like you can see how this is changing. So when we are changing this position, then the position of the switch inside and the contacts which is inside will change over. So this is the wiring done here, and it will take the contact. You can see that 1 2 contact number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like that the contact numbering is there. So I will also show you that how we are operating. You can check here. It should be, see, here is the switch which will show that it should be in local mode. Local mode means we are operating from here. When we change the position of this switch in remote mode, then we can control this isolator from the SCADA control room or from the relay panel, BCU relay panel. So right now we are going to operate from here. So already we have switched on the MCB, that means power supply is already there, and we are going to give the close command. Okay, so when we have to give the close command of this isolator, then you have to press this button. When you have to give the open command, then you have to press this button, and in between the operation, if you have to off it, switch off it, then you have to press this button. So before operating anything, I would like to show you that already this isolator is in open condition. Okay, so first of all we will give the close command, and then we will show you that how this is getting operated. This is B phase, this is B phase pole, and this is B phase, this is Y phase pole, and that is R phase pole. So separate pole is there. That R phase is also open, this Y phase is also open, and this B phase is also open. Okay, you are looking this rod. This rod is called the earthing switch. This is otherwise called earthing link, and this earthing rod will be connected there when you will close it. Okay, so this earthing switch will be closed only. See, you are looking there, the contacts are there, that female's contacts are there, and here in the this earth switch at the top of this, that this is called male contact. So when this will go there, then it will be fixed inside there. Okay, this operation will be done electrically only when your isolator will be in open condition. When your isolator will be in closed condition, you cannot close this, you cannot close this. It should be in open condition. This is the interlocks between the isolator main disconnecting switch and this earthing switch. Okay, so now I will show you the operation. However, there is electrical interlocks and mechanical interlocks. Both interlocks are preferred and designed for the operation of isolator. Okay, this is the engineer who will operate the isolator, and how he is operating. Can you please operate this? Can you please give the close command? So he has pressed the close command, and see here that it is getting closed. Okay. Okay, so that close command is executed and it is connected properly. Now can you give the please open command? He has pressed the open command, and see here that this isolator disconnector switch will be in open. See, R phase, Y phase, B phase, all three pole is open now. Off. Okay, so like that the operation is happening for the disconnector switch. So from local we can operate using this mechanism box, and when we want to operate this isolator, this disconnecting switch from the SCADA control room, then we can give the command from there, and we can give the command from the relay also, and in such a way this disconnector switch will be operated. Okay, so now one more thing I would like to explain, that the isolator is offload device. Offload device in the sense, in off condition, there is no power supply, the line is not energized. In such a situation only we can operate it. And this is the equipment you are looking. This is called circuit breaker. You would have heard about circuit breaker. This is called circuit breaker. You can check there. That is R phase, Y phase, and B phase. These three phases, this three phase equipment is the circuit breaker. Okay, so here is the control cubicle box, and this is mechanism box, that is mechanism box, that is mechanism box. When we are like the isolator only, we can give the command from local. From here only we can give the command of close and open. When you give the command close, then this breaker will be closed. Okay, when you give the command of open, then the breaker will be in open. Okay, so all the mechanism is there, all the mechanism setup, the contact setup is there, main contacts and moving contacts are there inside. In next video I'll make a very good presentation, good explanation, a practical overview on the circuit breaker. So circuit breaker is also a kind of switch, and disconnector is isolator is also a kind of switch. But the difference between isolator and disconnector or isolator is that isolator is in off condition, offload device, and this circuit breaker is on-load device. That means in on-load condition you can operate the circuit breaker, you can open this switch circuit breaker, and you can close this circuit breaker. So this is the difference between it. So I have explained the practical things of the isolator, how we operate, and you have seen in the switchyard directly that how we are operating. And in the next video I will make a separate topic for the circuit breaker, that is also a kind of on-load switch. So I think you have liked this video. If you have liked this, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.